Hello, today is May 9th, Monday price action NQ. So the price was continue going down move today. And what I was hoping to see is continuation of this move after this channel here. And I was waiting this pullback here to that channel line on the 800. So this right here is actually on this small zone here. So I'm waiting this price to cross this moving average and to break this channel line here. And also the 1 minute is just crossed, where there was a big fast bar.
Order filled. Order filled.
So I entered there 2 contracts. And now it's gonna do a retest on the bottom channel there. And I see that they did it once, and I wanted to do on the second test.
Order filled.
Add another contract there. Okay, now I have 3. That was a nice red bar that showing that the price may continue to go lower. But also here is can be a double bottom here too, right around here. So I wasn't sure to wait this move or take the profit. And the price kind of stalled a little bit, lost that momentum fast, this drop here. So I kind of decided to take the profit on this zone here. So bring it down my stop loss lower.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
And that stopped me out there. I think it was around 1400.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Okay, so right after this, I did this channel line here, hoping that maybe the price can bounce on these moving averages.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was a little bit early entry, aggressive one. I should have waited that bar to close under 25. Yeah, it closed red, but it wasn't a very good signal bar.
Stop filled.
And that stopped me out 250. And I see that green bar close above the 50 and 25. And I see that a doji
Order
printed,
filled.
so I wanted to do a quick scalp on the bottom of this channel here. And I was a little bit late to take that profit. I was thinking maybe another push there, but
Stop filled.
yeah, it just gave me $60 there. And I see that it is retested as I was thinking on that bottom channel here. And I see that doji looking bar there. And I was thinking maybe another test on that bottom channel can be a short entry. Though this bar here on the 4000 tick chart is not too promising.
Order filled.
So I tried one contract there. And yeah, I'm still thinking the price may still go lower from here. And this is right here is a scalps pretty much. I wanted to take that profit, that sudden move up, and then on this moving averages here. And then if I see the price close under the moving averages, then I'm gonna re-enter it for the down move.
Target filled.
And I took that profit there around $330. And I'm waiting this bar to close on that 25 and 50 moving average lines.
Order filled.
And that bar closed very nicely and I entered it. And the 1 minute is looking not too bad.
Order filled.
Okay, enter second contract there. And so far the prices keep pushing up, so that's not a good sign. So I realized that this can be a first test and can be a second test there. So I'm trying to get out the trade,
Stop
but
filled.
it
Stop filled.
stopped me out around $760. And now I'm gonna watch what this bar is gonna close. If I see another failure and close under the 25 and 50 moving averages, then this can be a 2-try failure, and I will jump in back. And I'm still expecting the price continue 1, 2, 3 move on the 4,000 tick chart. And yeah, once I see this bar close like that, that was my signal there.
Order filled.
And
Order
I entered
filled.
3
Order
contracts.
filled.
And I see that this was a 2-try. So that is the one. Like that. So I bring my stop loss down and try to trail this move. And right around here, I wanted to take this on that double bottom here again. I was thinking that price do a bounce from here, and I just wanted to take that profit. Is a nice profit there.
Target filled.
Yeah,
Target filled.
that was 2,950, and I was happy with that. Yeah, this was the afternoon trades, and I did one more trade that showed that pattern, that zigzag pattern, and that was it for the Monday.